How to format a TV box. Hey guys, good? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. Today I'll explain how to format your TV box. Before that, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. Here I make various tutorials, always to make it easier for you. So guys, if your TV box is freezing, crashing, a great option is to format it. That is, you erase everything, you'll reset everything, and it'll come with factory defaults. It's as if you had just bought it. How do we do this, Leo? So, it's really simple. You're going to take your TV box, you're going to glance at the back of the TV box. You're going to see some internet inputs for USB. On one of them, there's one called AV. In this input, you're going to place a really thin screwdriver, a matchstick, a toothpick, as it is in the photo. You're going to put it in until you hear a click. Inside this input, there's a little button that does the formatting, okay? This is done with the device turned off. Place the toothpick in until you hear the click and leave the toothpick there, okay? Press that internal button. You're going to put the toothpick in and press, okay? Listen to the button. You'll plug your TV box into the power socket to turn it on. You'll see this Android recovery screen. There are a few options. Firstly, you're going to select the Wipe Cache Partition option, alright? It's going to clean the cache. Confirm it. Click on Yes. Next, you'll choose the Wipe Data Factory Reset option. It's an option above Wipe Cache, okay? Confirm the formatting. Click on Yes. After that, you will click on the first option, Reboot System Now. Your TV box will restart, and the formatting process will start. It lasts around 10 to 15 minutes. It's pretty fast. And that's all, folks. Your TV box is formatted. Then you just have to reinstall the apps and check if the crash or slowdown is over. Any questions, leave them in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials. I'm going to leave it at that. A big hug and I'm off. Thanks.